Hi, this how to 1 minute gonna show you how to add a audio to Wix website. So if you follow these easy steps, then you will be able to add a single audio or a audio player to your Wix website. First of all, go to your Wix website editor and then go to the section where you want to add your audio or music. Then in this left-hand menu, click on Add Elements. And here scroll down and click on Video and Music. Come to this music section and here you will find a bunch of different audio or music options. So you can go to Wix music section and here you will find two Wix music options. If you want to add SoundCloud music player, you can select any SoundCloud music from this list. Also here you will get Spotify player option. But right now we are going to audio player section, and now from here I'm selecting this audio player. And as you can see, the audio player successfully added into my Wix website. Now it's time to add our audio and it's time to customize this player. So select the player and click on Change Track. And here choose audio from. You can select one track and you can select external MP3. If you select external MP3, then here you will get a link or URL box. You can copy your Google Drive music link and you can paste it here, or you can play your YouTube music directly. Just paste here the YouTube music link. To upload a music from your gallery, you have to select one track and now just click on Upload Track, and now just click on Upload Media. And here you will get several options to upload any music, and to upload from your computer just click here. But right now I'm selecting a music from my Wix library. So once you've selected the music or audio, just click on Add Track. And here as you can see, the music added. Now if you want to change this music thumbnail, just click on Choose Image. Here you can upload or select any image for the music thumbnail from your Wix library, and to upload from your computer just click here. So I'm selecting a dummy image from my Wix library, and as you can see, the thumbnail of the music has been changed. Now close these audio player settings. Now select the track and click on Layout. And here you can select classic layout or only icon layout. So here I'm selecting classic because it's more good looking than icon. And display, if you want to show cover photo in your player, you can enable cover photo or cover image from here. And if you want to hide artist name, just uncheck artist name. Artist name will be disabled. Also you can hide track name from here. You can hide progress bar, you can hide timestamp. So I'm going to enable all of these options to make the player more beautiful. And now cross these audio player layout settings and select the audio player again, and now go to design section. And here if you want to add a background color for your audio player, go to fill color and opacity section and click on this background color, and now from here you will be able to select a background color for your audio player. So here's I'm selecting, for example, this black color, and now you can adjust the opacity like this and go to text section, and from here you will be able to change your audio player text color. I'm going to decreasing my background color opacity, so going to background section. Okay, now if you want, you can also add a hover effect from here. Now you can select the player and go to animation, and from here you will be able to select any animation to your music player. So I'm selecting this arc in, and now it's time to preview the player. So I'm clicking on preview, and here as you can see I've successfully added a beautiful music or audio player in my Wix website. Now all you have to need to play your music, just click on this play button and the music will be played. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.